Hope you're having a great day. Welcome to Sid's Tips. And arrived my American Express limited edition Boeing 747 card. This is the new design that's limited if you have a reserve card, which is a little bit more pricey, but nonetheless, if you have it, and like I have the purple card, you can get this limited edition card. And I'll share with you how to do that at the end of the video, which I did on my previous video. So you can request a new design, or if you are looking to apply, you can apply and go for this design. And I'll put a link to that as well, where you can take advantage of some free bonus miles as well. You'll see other cards, but there'll also be one for this card. But I wanted to show you the packaging. I did open it up because I wanted to cover my card before I shared with you. So the card number and other stuff that I wanted to keep more private, but this is the inside. There you go. And this is the card. It is partially metal and on the back. So it does have the flight information of the last 747 flight on here and other information. And that is the card there. And then on the inside, you get here as well. You get this little card here. And it says, by the way, your card made with 33% metal from an iconic Delta Boeing 747 aircraft was designed to heighten every aspect of your travel experience from the airport to destination. As a card member, you have the support and flexibility to create an exceptional life. And then it's let's get started and explore your membership guide there. So there's a QR code and review your checklist. So you got that there. And then inside as well is got, you know, the envelope with your information, how it got to you, the address there, and check out your card benefits. So you got that. Then you got this prepaid envelope where you could put your existing metal card if that's what you have, and you could send it to them and they'll recycle that. So that's pretty cool that they did that. But there you go. That is the card, and I'm pretty stoked to have it. And if you get it, let me know. Let me know what you think. It's cool, it's different, and it is limited. So get it today. Again, I'll share here this part of the video now where you can go in your account to request the new design, and also a link in the description as well as in the comment section so you can apply for this card if it's something that you're interested in. All right, have a great day. We'll see you on the next one. Take care. So what you want to do first here is, if you are an existing card holder, you go to the American Express site or do the app. I'm just showing you here on my computer. I hadn't done this on my app. I did this all here on my computer. So you're going to go to Account Services, and then you'll see down here, you're going to click on Replace a Card. Now, I can't show you what that would look like because I've already done it, but you'll see it will say New Design, and you just pick that new design, and then they'll go through the process where you have to approve that, and then they will send it out to you.